How you doing? Did you smile today? Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? So today I'm just gonna show you guys some quick and easy hairstyles you can do with spring twist. Now this is spring twist hair from Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below. All the links, all the videos on how I installed this hair is from the company Beyond Beauty and the color T1B/30. I'm only gonna be showing you guys a few hairstyles, but if you want to see about 20 plus hairstyles, click the link up above where I showed you guys how to do other spring twist hairstyles. So enjoy the video.
All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. I just break.
Not the bayang. The bayang. Alright you guys, this is the end of this video. If you want to see more hairstyles, make sure that you click the iCards up above. That's where I have another video where I showed you about 20 plus more hairstyles. And everything you need to know about the hair, how I installed it, all that jazz will be linked down below. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on my next video. Bye!